1950 Oldsmobile 88. Average price is $17,582. Pure 1950 style showed up in the 1950 Oldsmobile 88, which was offered in a deluxe club coupe or convertible body style. This car is often considered one of the precursors to the muscle car era with the rocket V8 engine under the hood. This is the engine that made the Oldsmobile 88 famous, allowing it to be a glorious car that set new post-war performance marks. A big engine for the time powered the Oldsmobile 88. The Rocket V8 is a 303 cubic inch engine that produces 135 horsepower and 263 pound-feet of torque, sending this power to the rear wheels through a 3-speed manual transmission, giving drivers the desired feeling from behind the wheel. The Rocket V8 engine with the lighter 88 chassis made it possible for Oldsmobile to win the first NASCAR championship.